Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best heat press on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the HTV NT Heat Press Mini. This budget-friendly option is perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a compact tool to handle small heat transfer projects. With its adorable mint design and lightweight build, this mini press is easy to use and highly portable, making it ideal for crafting on the go or at events like fairs. The HTV NT Mini Heat Press features 3 adjustable heat settings, ranging from 284 degrees Fahrenheit to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you enough flexibility to tackle various materials and transfer projects. It heats up quickly, saving you valuable time compared to other mini presses. Plus, the insulated base and ergonomic handle ensure that it's safe to use without risking burns. However, its small size limits its usability to smaller projects like hats, patches, or baby clothes. So it's not suited for larger designs. This product is a fantastic entry-level heat press, particularly at such a low price point. It's ideal for hobbyists and casual users who need a reliable and portable solution. The downside is its limited heat plate size and fewer advanced features compared to larger presses. But for $22.99, it's hard to beat if you're on a tight budget. At number 4, we have the Kaly Heat Press Machine for t-shirts. This mid-range option is designed with versatility in mind, featuring a generous 10x10 heat plate that accommodates larger projects like t-shirts, pillows, and tote bags. Its sleek white and pink design adds a touch of style, and its built-in heat shield ensures safety during extended use. Performance-wise, it heats up quickly, reaching 410 degrees Fahrenheit in just 5 minutes. And its precise temperature control allows you to adjust settings in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments, perfect for detailed sublimation and vinyl transfer projects. The 15-minute auto-off feature is a thoughtful safety addition, while its beep reminder keeps you informed when the timer ends or set temperature is reached. However, users might find the adjustment process slightly unintuitive, as you need to unlock controls using the C button after the countdown. Priced at $69.88, the Kaly Heat Press strikes a balance between affordability and functionality. It's a great option for intermediate users who need a bigger plate without breaking the bank. Its intuitive design makes it suitable for crafting enthusiasts, but the slower adjustment process may be a minor inconvenience for high-volume production. Coming in at number 3 is the Cricut EasyPress 3 Heat Press Machine with Heat Press Mat. This bundle combines Cricut's signature craftsmanship with the convenience of their Heat app, making it a standout choice for home-based crafters. With its 9-inch by 9-inch heat plate, it's perfect for personal projects like t-shirts, aprons, and tote bags. One of the most impressive features is its compatibility with the Cricut Heat app, which allows you to send precise temperature and time settings directly to the machine. The EasyPress 3 heats up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and applies even pressure for professional quality results that last wash after wash. The included heat press mat provides a stable workspace, reducing the risk of uneven transfers. However, its price point is not listed, which might deter budget-conscious buyers. Overall, the Cricut EasyPress 3 is ideal for hobbyists who value convenience and reliability. While it lacks the larger plate sizes of premium models, its app integration and user-friendly design make it a strong contender for those who love creating personalized items. At number 2, we have the Cricut EasyPress 2 Heat Press Machine. This model builds on the success of the original EasyPress, offering a larger 12-inch by 10-inch heat plate and precise temperature control up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Its raspberry-colored design is both eye-catching and functional, with an insulated base and auto-off feature for added safety. The EasyPress 2 heats up in under 2 minutes, ensuring quick and effortless transfer results. Its ceramic-coated heat plate distributes heat evenly, making it perfect for intricate designs. Additionally, it's lightweight and easy to store, making it a great choice for crafters with limited workspace. However, it lacks advanced automation features, meaning users need to monitor their projects closely. Priced at $99, the EasyPress 2 is a fantastic mid-tier option with a solid combination of performance and portability. Ideal for t-shirts, tote bags, puffs, and aprons, it's a reliable choice for anyone looking to step up their crafting game without investing in a premium model. And finally, at number 1, we have the HTV NT Automatic Heat Press Machine, the ultimate choice for professionals and serious crafters. With its 15-inch by 15-inch heat plate and automatic press and release functionality, this machine is designed to handle high-volume production with ease. It's perfect for scaling your business or creating flawless custom projects. The HTV NT Automatic Heat Press heats up twice as fast as regular models, reaching 320 degrees Fahrenheit in 4 minutes and 410 degrees Fahrenheit in just over 6 minutes. Its dual-tube heating engine ensures even heat distribution, while the NTC thermistor technology maintains stable temperatures throughout. The auto-off feature and separated ironing board make it safe to use, even around kids and pets. It's compatible with various materials, from t-shirts to wood signs, making it incredibly versatile. Priced at $236, this premium heat press is undoubtedly an investment, but its professional-grade features and efficiency justify the cost. It's ideal for anyone looking to upgrade their heat press game or start a small business. The only downside is its hefty weight, which makes it less portable. But for serious creators, this machine is the gold standard. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.